Hello everybody, it is Sweet Crypto here, and today we're going to be talking about my platforms I'm basically in DeFi crypto. So, we're going to be talking about the Avalanche network I'm in, Smart Binance network I'm in, and that's basically it for the networks. So, if you want to join the Telegram, the link will be in the description down below, and if you want to join any of my teams, referral links will be in the description down below as well. Also, this is not financial advice, so please take this into consideration that this is my opinion, so please do some more research on it if you're going to get into anything. And let's get into the video. So, we're going to take a look at Splasive first. This is my favorite platform, and that's because I've made the most on it. If I'm being straight up honest with you, I put in $900 in this at $2.50. It's on a dip right now, a pretty big dip. It was at $50, now it's at $34. We're trying to find some stabilization here. So nothing too much to worry about. I've just been recompounding again. I've got $900. I've taken out probably $1,100. I'm just recompounding now. I compounded this morning at 7, and right now it's 9 o'clock. So it's about 14 hours. In 14 hours, made a nice $200. I have about 18 grand worth in here. And we're basically just going to compound this. My goal is to get up to 600 splash right now. I'm going to take little easy steps to goals to basically increase my payout. So I'm getting paid 2% a day for 180 days. After that 180 days, the payout's gone. So we want to make sure we keep on compounding so we won't run out of payouts. So, how's it going? Well, if it's going decently, 530 splash, making $360 a day. So we can add that to the total, and that's just 2% a day off of 18,000. If you want to get into Splash, my description will be like my wallet address. You basically copy that, go over to here, and then paste it in, and then press update. And yeah, you'll be part of the team, and I do airdrops every single Sunday. There wasn't an airdrop this week for the second airdrop. I normally do a second airdrop, but there's been some interesting things that are going on with the airdrop thing. It will not let me select everybody, which is pretty stupid, so I'm going to do kind of a double airdrop next week. So Splash Net worth $360. It's going good. Next, I'm going to talk about is Elephant.Money. This is something I just got into yesterday that I probably should have got into earlier. I'm not late, but just, I guess you could say, just not as early as I wanted it to be. We're going to switch to, we're going to close out a splash. We're going to go over here. I've only put in $180. And yesterday, I'm slowly adding up. I'll probably put in another 100 tomorrow. Yeah, but I'm in this one, which is 205%. Looks like someone joined my team, which is lit. And yeah, we're basically making Trunk. And Trunk, hey, this is a stable coin. It's not making me a lot of money right now, obviously, because I've only put in $184. I'm getting 205% APR. This is a 7 out of 10 on my risk factor. Splash is an 8 out of 10. This is a 6 out of 10 on my risk factor. Splash is 7 out of 10. Or 7.5. But yeah, I'm probably going to do an airdrop in the next probably week. So if you want to join my team, again, it'll be like my wallet address. You just go over here to partner, and then you put it in here. Then you press update, bada bang, bada boom, and then yeah, just press confirm. Probably gonna put in another $100 either tonight. It's getting a little late, so probably tomorrow. But yeah, so trying to get up my positions in here, and we're going to roll these rewards. Oh, oops, 2 minimum. My bad. So it needs to be 2 in the rewards, and then you can roll it. So I'll probably put another 100 trunk in and slowly grow my position. And my goal for this is to honestly just compound like crazy. So that's really my goal. So how much is this making me a day? Not much at all. Probably, I don't know, like $2 a day or something like that. We could do the math here. It's not really worth doing the math, but I guess we could do the math. So 205 divided by 365, making 0.5% a day. off of 184, so it's like $1, so it's really nothing right now. But it's gonna go to nothing to something, as they say. So we're at 361. Again, I just like to show that because I'm getting into it, and I really like Stampede and what they're doing. Next on the list, I'm going to blur the screen for a quick second to get to my next thing. My next thing is a kind of a hot topic right now, and the reason I say that is because there's a lot of skeptical, you could say, on the developer. That's Animal Farm. I haven't did my compounding, I don't think, today. Oh, I did it this morning for the Animal Farm for Drip Garden. I am in the piggy bank and pools, but as you know, it's paused, and it's been a couple weeks. People are starting to get mad at Fort Shark. You just really nothing you could do besides just compounding, or just, I guess, withdrawing, which I've never done yet, and I'm not planning to. I'm just planning to keep on planting my plants. So yeah, and piggy bank, I can't really do anything because the crediting is completed. So the pools as well. I'm trying to take out this, but I can't. There's been an error, so kind of sucks. But for the drip garden, it's not much because of how low it is, and the drip price is, we'll see in a second, but it's an added, like, only, like, I want to say $10. Yeah, about $371 we're at. Drip, let's check what the drip price is. And this is my, like, main account. I have a second account, which is a lot more. $29. Really hurts to see that, as I put in some good money into drip. I just wanted to check it in here. I don't really have anything going on with this account of drip. Barely anything. Titano in this account is a little bit, but it's worth something to count for. So we're going to check. It's at 17 cents. Only $314 in here, but we're making $6 a day. I like Titano a lot because I don't have to do anything with it. It's just auto compounding. I wish they had a team, though, so then I could do, like, airdrops, that would be really sick, honestly. Okay, now into the bigger accounts for, like, Drip Garden, Titano, and the Animal Farm. So this is my other Drip Garden account. I hit over 1,000 plants, which is really cool. We're continuously to compound, and we're not making insane money. Like, right now would be making, if the price of drip was when the Animal Farm came out, we'd be making 300 a day, or sorry, 200 a day, which is kind of unfortunate that it's gone down. But right now we're making just about, I believe, $30 a day, $35 a day. I'm pretty sure we're making $30 a day, or $35 a day. We'll just, maybe it's 40 or something, I don't know. $410 a day. So far we're at. Splash is mad carrying. And we're gonna get into drip on this account, which is a bit bigger. We have a little bit of drip available that we're going to hydrate. It really hurts the soul looking at this account because I put $6,000 of my own hard-earned money into here. Yeah, so that kind of sucks. We're down a lot, and I've compounded a lot. This was 40 drip. I've compounded 36 drip, so kind of sucks. I bought it at $100 and it's at 30. Oh, that hurts. Okay, next, because I don't like looking at that, but we got to continue to compound because you never know what could happen. Also, if you want to join my team, you can. I need all the support I can get in this one. Okay, so next we got is Titano. Oh, I don't think I added that to the thing. So we're only making $20 a day off that. Titano, we're doing good on this account. Really good on this account. So we're at $4,500 worth on this account. Titano went down a little bit, but I've put in $950 in this, and it's at $4,500, so it's doing really, really good. Making $87 a day, which is, love to see it. So about 88, let's round it to. We're at $518. That's basically what we're at. I probably said $520 or something like that in the video title. That's basically what we're looking at for, well, what I'm making today. This was kind of like an update video that I like to do every couple days on how things are going. Um, Please leave some comments in the video, or leave your comments down below what you want me to review. I'm always interested into new things and reviewing them, so I'll take a look at it. And if you want to join my teams, you can, which is cool. I do airdrops. And yeah, that's all I really gotta say. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there. Peace out.